In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher on how to get started, this guide will walk you through the entire signing process step by step. First, let's assume you've already received an email from DocuSign. This email might have come from a colleague or business partner who needs your signature on an important document. So, open your inbox and look for an email with DocuSign in the subject line. Once you've found it, click on the email to open it. Inside the email, you'll see a prominent button labeled Review Document. Click on this button to open the document that requires your attention. This action will launch a new window, taking you directly to the document within the DocuSign environment. Next, navigate to the section where your signature is required. When you click on the designated signature field, a pop-up will appear. This pop-up provides options to either change or clear your signature. In this scenario, you will want to select the Change option. It's important to note, though, if the option isn't visible, don't worry. Simply proceed according to the instructions provided on your screen. DocuSign has implemented this design to streamline the signing process for all users. Now, let's talk about adding your signature. After selecting Change, it's time to add your personal signature. You'll be presented with three options. First, you can choose to create an electronic signature. This is a quick and convenient method where DocuSign generates a signature for you based on your name. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can opt to draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen device. Finally, if you already have a preferred signature image saved, you can upload it directly from your device. Once you've chosen how you'd like to sign, click Adopt and Sign. By doing this, you're not only confirming your choice of signature, but also affixing it to the document. It's a digital equivalent to signing with pen and paper, ensuring the document is legally binding. After you've signed the document, you may have the opportunity to review any final sections. Make sure everything looks correct and then follow any remaining prompts to complete the process. Depending on the document's requirements, there might be additional fields to fill out beyond the signature. Once you've completed all the steps, DocuSign will send a confirmation email indicating that everything has been finalized. This way, you can rest assured that your digital signature has been securely added and your work here is done. By following these steps, you should now be able to confidently sign into DocuSign and handle any document signing requirements that come your way. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!